Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix if your Instagram Reels are lagging when you're watching them. So when you're just scrolling over on the Instagram Reels tab and they're just lagging, they're not loading, then here are 3 easy ways to fix this. I'm going to start with some easy ones and I'm going to work up our way to the hardest and easy, but will most likely fix the issue for you. So the first thing, what you can simply do is you can go to your control center and you want to actually make sure that your Wi-Fi is connected and that you have good Wi-Fi. Because watching Reels does require a lot of cellular mode, a lot of data, or a lot of Wi-Fi. So you want to make sure that you're in a place where you either have really good service or where your Wi-Fi is really good. And then that should fix the issue for you, but you've probably already checked that. Then the second thing what you can actually do is right here at your profile, go to the top right corner of your screen and click on those 3 stripes, click on settings and privacy, scroll down right here till you find media quality. Alright, so once you're right here, what you want to make sure to do is use less cellular mode is disabled, because if you have this enabled, it will literally use less cellular mode, which can literally just make videos lag. Then what you also want to make sure to do is disable HDR video playback, and you want to actually make sure that this is actually turned off, because if this is enabled, it will actually disable it, but you want to have it enabled, so make sure that this switch is also disabled. Then for the last method, and this will most likely work, is what you're going to do is you're going to head into settings, because we are simply going to clear the cache of our iPhone app. Unfortunately, there's no way to do this over in the actual iPhone app. Luckily, if you just follow the steps over on my iPhone, go to general, iPhone storage, and it will also be able to work over on Android. Of course, you can just simply find how to do it over on Android. Then you want to go to the Instagram app, and literally all you need to do is click on offload app. What offloading app does, it will literally basically just remove the entire app from your phone. However, it will basically reinstall it within a few seconds, and all your data, everything will still be there, all your accounts will still be there. It will basically just hard reset your Instagram app, and this will 9 out of the 10 times fix any issues you have with your Instagram app. So right now I clicked on reinstall app, and we can literally see that it's right now reinstalling. After a few minutes, it will be reinstalled, and then all my accounts, everything will still be there. It will just give it a quick hard reset, and that should fix the issue if your Instagram Reels are lagging when you're watching them. So if you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.